हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अतुल एडू। तो चलिए आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है वो 4th सेमेस्टर का थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग 2 जो कि मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट से है, उसका 2017 का क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करेंगे और देखेंगे 2017 में कैसा क्वेश्चन पेपर आया था। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। तो पहले फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स देखते हैं कैसे आया था। नंबर 1 टन ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेशन इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 3.5 किलोवाट. Number 2, ammonia is the refrigerant commonly used for commercial ice plant. Number 3, the well column refrigeration cycle uses air as the working fluid. Number 4, a rotary compressor provides a continuous and uniform stream of compressed air. Number 5, the vacuum obtainable in a condenser is dependent on the inlet temperature of circulating water. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. Surface condenser is suitable for dash capacity unit high. Number 7. Evaporative condenser is an example of surface type condenser. Question number 8. The Rankine cycle is dash answer will be less efficient than Carnot cycle. Number 9. Induced type artificial mechanical rod is used in a locomotive boiler. Question number 10. The capacity of FD fan should be less than the ID fan. Now let's see next question. Question number 11. A grate is a place in the combustion chamber of a boiler upon which coal is burnt. Number 12. The function of block of coke in a boiler is to discharge mud from the boiler. Question number 30. The example of supercritical boiler is Lamont boiler. Question number 14. Lamont boiler is an example of high pressure boiler. Number 15. As per boiler regulation, each boiler should be fitted with 2 number of safety valve. Now let's see question number 16. The dryness fraction of superheated steam is 1. Number 17. The boiler heat loss data is made to prepare heat balance sheet. Number 18. If there is an air leakage, the condenser vacuum will be reduced. Number 19. The thermal conductivity of a refrigerant should be high. Number 20. The pressure ratio of the reciprocating compressor is more than that of dynamic compressor. These are the 20 fill in the blanks which came in 2017 thermal engineering 2. So now let's see the long questions answer. These are the questions from group A. Question 2A. Classify boiler based on method of firing, method of circulation of water and types of fuel used. Give example of each type. Number B. Justify. Water circulation is more positive in water tube boiler than fire tube boiler. Second part of it, for high steam pressure generation, water tube boiler is used. Number 3. Dismantling, transportation and erection is easier for water tube boiler than fire tube boiler. You will get the answer from boiler chapter. Now see 3A. Give 2 reasons with explanation because of which steam generation capacity of Lamont boiler is higher than Cushman boiler. Number B. Write the necessity of water level indicator, safety valve and fusel plug. You can see the answer from boiler chapter. Now see question 4A. Write the advantage of artificial rod over natural rod. B. Find the rod produced in term of millimeter of water column. Number 2. Meter of column of hot gases by a chimney 30 meter high. The temperature of flue gases and ambient air is 300 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively, and 18 kg of air is supplied for complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. And number C. Why boiler feed water is treated. Question 5A. Why Carnot engine is not practicable. Question B. So separate how cycle efficiency prove in case of reheat Rankine cycle and regenerative Rankine cycle. C. A power generating plant uses steam as working fluid and operates on ideal Carnot cycle. Dry saturated steam at 17.5 bar pressure is supplied to the engine and it expands isentropically to a condenser pressure of 0.07. Assuming the liquid to be saturated at entry to the boiler, find the work done by the engine and the thermal efficiency. Now see group B. Group B question number 6A. Write and explain the Dalton's law of partial pressure. B. Less quantity of circulating water is required for jet condenser than the that of surface condenser. Justify. C. With neat schematic diagram, describe evaporative condenser. Now see question number 7. 7A. For air compressor, define compression ratio, free air delivery and swept volume. B. A single stage single acting reciprocating compressor suck air at 1 bar and 30 degrees Celsius and deliver 0.6 kg of air press per minute at 6 bar. The bore and the stroke of the compressor are 10 cm and 15 cm respectively, and clearance is 30% of stroke. Taking the index as 1.3 and mechanical efficiency as 85%, find out the volumetric efficiency of the compressor. Number 2, the power required, and the number 3, speed of the machine in RPM. Now see question number 8A. A good refrigerant should have low freezing point, low boiling point and high critical temperature. Justify. Number B. What is psychrometric meter? Define dew point temperature. C. Draw the PV and TS diagram, Bell-Coleman cycle, and state only the name of different processes. D. State the function of air conditioning system. 9A. Method of energy saving in air compressor. B. Pulverized fuel boiler. Number C. Vent type air compressor. And number D. Fluidized bed boiler. So these are the questions from 2017 question paper. So if you like the video, then subscribe, and thanks for watching.